way to denote the rule. Okay, the derivative of sine. Y'all, this is very easy. Watch out now, this is difficult. That would be really cool if it'd be 1. But it's cosine. The other one is, but you're close, it's negative sine. Now, how do I remember this? How did I remember this? South Carolina. You know when we are, I'm going to take a little break here, just a side note, sidebar, side something. Go off the ramp just for a minute. Tea break. You know, we would write, here's your function, and then we would write our f prime right below it. Because, you know, I don't get confused with what goes where. So here's how I know this. If the sine is my original function, I know that the c has to be on the bottom. Because South Carolina, don't ask me why. I have no ties to South Carolina, nor do I want any ties to South Carolina, but that's the way I remember this rule, South Carolina. Now the other one, I know has to be the opposite. It has to be flipped, and it's opposite. Get it? Okay? Just something, just fun stuff. Then, the derivative of e to the x. This one's even better. Do you remember? It is itself. If the function is e to the x, its derivative is e to the x. I can memorize those. Can't y'all? Okay? Easy, easy, easy. Check this out. You ready? The derivative of e to the x is what? What's the derivative of sine?
Cosine.
What's the derivative of cosine?
Negative sine.
Listen at you. Good children. You ready? Ready to roll? Here we go. D. LaRue, we miss you. I know you're going to watch this video, though, before you come back to school. 4 sine x. We got to find the derivative. Don't find the derivative. Don't say anything out loud. You can do this. Put something on paper. Even if it's wrong, put something on paper. Got an answer? Hey, Will, what you got? Nothing. What you think about this problem? I don't want to know what you think. I do want to know what you think about this problem. What was the derivative? 4 sine x. Got any ideas? What do you think, y'all? See, right? Thumbs up, thumbs down. Right on. It is 4 cosine. Why do we have to leave the 4? Because you're multiplying, okay? Or it's just a coefficient. It has to come down with your derivative, just like the derivative of 4x is 4. So it is there. How about this one? What do you think you would do to sine x over 3? Don't tell me. Tell somebody close to you. In front of you, behind you. I don't want to know. Don't tell me. Okay, you got an idea?
When you unsmush it to be 1/3 sine x.
I don't know. Holly, would she unsmush it? What do you think? Sure? Yeah, sure, sounds good. Sounds good, Holly. Let's unsmush it. Let's rewrite it first. What would I unsmush it to be? JC, what would I do to unsmush it? Times what? Can I put that coefficient in front? It just feels uncomfortable. Just, I don't know. Is it okay if I just leave it like that? Because that's actually what he said, isn't it? So, what do I do now?
Now, whenever you...
Hannah, go. Tell me. So, what's it going to be? What's the derivative? Or could I start with 1/3 cosine x and then say it again? Is she making it look nice? For what? For that multiple choice test. That girl, Hannah. Okay, either one. If you're writing it out by hand, what's HP going to take? I'm going to take either one of them. Okay? But I'm definitely looking for this one. Yes, ma'am.
You got it. Right. Oh, which one's pay?
Thank you.
This was the best answer on your multiple choice. I would accept this if you had that. Either it's 6 in one hand, half dozen in the other. Yes, ma'am. Shh.
What's the benefit of unpushing? Like, why don't you just push around your gun?
Because what if something changed? I'm always going to unsmush. That's just my personal preference. Why wouldn't you? I'm always of the mind of smushing and unsmushing anyway. So see, that's just second nature to me, to unsmush it and then find the derivative. Did I need to?
I'm just wondering, like, what the problem would look like if it had something else added to it, you know, when they get harder, where unpushing would help you out.
Hold on just a second.
You could
Hold it.
You could have just changed sides.
Yeah, that's what she's saying. Why couldn't I have just done that? Yes. And that is exactly the way you might think about it. But what if it's another way? Okay? Jay, Will.
Why did we only do the power rule for sine instead of sine and
Because 1/3 is the coefficient of the function sine x. Mm-hmm. Yep, just like if it were 4x, we would keep the 4. It's the coefficient of the function. Yep.
So we're going to sine x squared over 3.
Things change. Things change. Things change. You're thinking ahead, and that's good. All right, questions? All right, look at this one. You got to put something on paper, and you can't tell me. Do all 3 of them. Okay, we're ready? Who's got the first one? Who thinks they have it? Somebody new. Bethany, you got the first one. Who's got the second one? Up here. Come on, come on, come on. A-Web, you made eye contact. You got the fourth one. Example 5. Bianca, you made eye contact. You got the last one. Let's go. Top.
The last one.
You got this. You got this. Remember, A-Web, you and Bianca can work at the same time. You hold on and we'll move back up. No, F prime. F prime, yeah. Since it started out after that. Hey, be sure that you're checking against each other. Come on, they all work. Now, I got it. Hey, A-Web, can you do the top since you're taller and let Bethany do this one? Please, sir. We all right over there? Okay. So that's how you're doing. Okay, here we go. Shh. Hey, look up here, look up here. Come here. Look up here. Shh. Listen. Shh. Jacob Alderman is, how about example 3? Is it right? How many of you have 4x minus sine of x? High five in the air. Adam, boy. How about 4? Bethany has 6 plus e to the x. Is she right?
Yes.
How many of you had it? High five. What about example 5? Bianca, you had this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
She's got 2 cosine x minus e to the x. Is she right?
Yes.
How many of you had it? High five. Out of everybody. Out of everybody. All right, so here's what you're going to do for me. There's more. There's a whole lot more. Tell you what I want you to do. I do want you to remember, and this would be helpful to write down, this stuff right here. The parallel lines and the perpendicular lines. You need to have that in your notes. Your homework, yep, that's going to be perfect. This is easy. here's what I want you to look at. Number 45. Folks, you need to simplify that before you jump in and do the derivative, because remember, we can only find the derivative using the power rule when we are looking at a string of terms that are connected with addition and subtraction. 57, you're going to be writing some equations that look really, really strange with the sign in there and an e to the x in there. Don't flinch, okay? But if we don't start doing these problems, you're not going to know how to do them. So just do them. 5 to 6 to 7, 30 to 1 to 2, 7, 45, 47, 52, 53, 57, 58, 61. 17 problems. In the grand scheme of things, folks,
That's a lot.
that is not a lot of math problems.
You should have done it with the ones
That's
that,
17, it's not.
do all the ones that don't have 7 or are multiple of 7.
That's a good touche. All right,
She should have came in.
golly. Hey, do this for me, folks. What are you going to do if you have questions? You're going to email me, or you're going to have your hind ends here at what time?
7:45.
7:45 in the morning. Come on, we'll have breakfast. I'll put it on the Instagram for you. Yeah, pardon me? 17, there are 17 problems. 17 problems. Get out of here.